Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour With AI. Cardano's governance structure is fracturing under the weight of its own ambition. Input-output global faces an existential crisis as 81% of delegates oppose a critical $32.9 million ADA research proposal. Charles Hoskinson has issued a stark ultimatum: the lab closes if the June 8 vote fails. This isn't just internal politics. It threatens the entire ecosystem's technical roadmap. Investors are watching closely as the community votes on the future of the Cardano network. Meanwhile, energy markets are tightening significantly. The U.S. Strategic Petroleum Reserve has hit its lowest level since July 2024. This depletion coincides with a deepening Hormuz crisis. Iran's conflict now disrupts 16 million barrels per day of global oil flow. Supply fears are driving crude prices higher. In response, Brazil is making a strategic pivot. Petrobras announced a 37 billion Brazilian reals investment plan through 2030. The goal is clear: link oil expansion to rare earth sovereignty. Domestic processing mandates will ensure Brazil controls its critical mineral supply chain. This move signals a broader shift in resource nationalism across emerging markets. On the macro front, U.S. Treasury yields are surging past the 5% mark for the 30-year benchmark. Core CPI rose 0.4%, defying hopes for rapid disinflation. Crude oil inventories have dropped to 35-year lows. These factors are threatening 2026 GDP forecasts. The market is pricing in a higher-for-longer interest rate environment. Looking ahead to today's release, inflation data from Japan will set the tone for Asian equities. At 23:30 Universal Time Coordinated, Japan's inflation rate year-over-year is forecast at 1.8%, up from 1.5%. This rise could force the Bank of Japan to reconsider its ultra-loose monetary policy. Simultaneously, European sentiment faces a test. At 6 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated, Germany's ifo business climate is expected to fall to 82 from 84.4. Weakness here would confirm the stagnation fears plaguing the Eurozone. In related news, corporate insiders are taking profits. Comstock Holdings COO, Timothy Stephan, sold $185,345 in CHCI shares. This sale occurred as the Dow hit a record close. While the market rallies, executives are locking in gains. It is a subtle signal of caution amidst the euphoria. Traders should also monitor UK retail sales at 6 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. The forecast is 0.3% month-over-month, down from 0.7%. A miss could weaken the pound further. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour With AI for daily market intelligence.